As I'm talking and giving out instructions on how to play this game, Steve and Betty will go around and give each couple a heart, just like this. And written inside the heart is a number. Each couple, based on that number, will then get up and lined up. Couple number one will be here, and couple number 30 will be over there. And to play this game, this is to get to know your neighbor. Okay, we've all been sitting here a long time. It's kind of tiring, and so we're gonna get up and get to know our neighbors. But to play this game, you can't talk. You cannot talk. You can communicate by signaling your neighbor, asking them to see if they're number 1 or number 10 by using your hand, or you can stomp your feet if you choose to. But this game is called communication without talking. Okay? It's an game. Siap nye, ada nyawa Futsal sama wa lebua tu tona Brazil yang Brazil ke nyawa pun membuat tetnya ya toy ni tu ya nam Brazil yang Brazil ke nyawa nam macam lek nha tu kan khoai ồ sao ta như hiểu khoai mà ta khoai để rất hoài khoai ta mà cả mình vua như lek là hay nhiều mà vua tiền tại yết toy phải hết con vua tại yết toy là ta xấu nai để rất hoài vua hắn nó liên trên mình đây nyawa ôi chẳng nhớ áo to cô ya tư cô ta áo ya tư nhém và mình bua rồi ya tỏi nhá ồ hắn nói đây nhớ so lọ tỏi. Okay, the tao tư number up. The tao tư Brazil phải. Did you guys all get a heart?
Yeah.
Okay. Hãy sang tư nó bua chỉ như chỉ xin ta. Đểว่าta sao ạ? Ta nhớ chỉ xin ta sao ạ? Number 1 is gonna be right here. Ta ya tỏi ya na ồ. Number ning and I, the yet boy, number 1 and I. almost ready? Yeah, fine. Okay, while we're waiting for people to find their places, I want you to take this opportunity to think about how you're communicating to your spouse when you're not talking to them, or how are you communicating to your neighbors or your family members when you're not talking to them. Okay? It is hard, huh? But sometimes our nonverbal communication means more than our verbal communication. So, with that said, we're going to find out how we did, all right? Starting with number 1. Ở phun bùa hi tu thập biến hiếu thảo bùa cứu thông tỏi nè sẽ dùn dùn lồng hòa ở bùa dầu như xì nè phun chinh phun bùa hoang tỏi phải bùa nhiên mua tỏi hi tu bùa hai nó con bùa là bùa dầu như xì con hòa cầu bùi tông bùaจะเก่งnhư mà lồng chia con như hòa nhung.
Number E. With you.
Number 5.
Number 7.
Number 8. Dua.
8. 12. 13.
Chấm. 16.
Jeffrey.
Okay.
19.
20.
22. 26.
27.
22.
เจ็บเป๊ะ
28.
30. 32.
35.
29. 33.
40 41
42.
43
Phải chấm hứ.
see 21
Hãy subscribe cho kênh Ghiền Mì Gõ để không bỏ lỡ
Bye.